Hello students, today we will discuss on the second part of the grader. Now comes to the start with the function of the grader. There are basically four functions. One is bulldozing, number two is side casting, number three is planning, and number four is crowning bulldozing. The bulldozing, a grader may be used as bulldozer to a limited extent for spreading piles of loose material. This can be achieved in many ways, either by extending the blade sideways or by driving the front wheel over the pile. Second, side casting. The blade is shaped at an angle such that the material being pushed in front of the in front of it is thrown off to one side. When the blade is angled more sharply, the throwing of the material is done at a higher speed. The thrust acting on the blade due to this is usually compensated by steering the front wheel. Next is planing. The blade is also used to plan off irregular surfaces. This is done by lowering the blade sufficiently below the original level of the material, and the material is cut and stored in proper place, giving a neat surface finish. Next is crowning. To give a surface finish to a whole road, it is usually crowned so that water will flow off to the side. The road material is bladed inward from the side, and the top of the crown is cut by adjusting the blade accordingly. So this is the function of the graded set. Now come to the adjustment. The following adjustment of the blade are possible. Number one, ends can be raised or lowered. Number two, the blade can be positioned across the line of travel, parallel to it, or at any angle. It can be number three is it can be shifted to one side and to vertical position. The portion the grader is being engaged for maintenance or construction of road. The portion of the road is marshy land. The blade removes the mud, slushy portion and threw away by the side of the machine and to same distance away from the road. A special cutting action of grader where blade is placed in inclined state in which in this way inclined cutting will proceed providing inclined surface to the cutting face, sometimes required for road construction. Next is maintenance. The maintenance are component wise. First is blade and circle, then blade control unit, then transmission, steering and tire. First one is blade and circle. Number one, inspect and clean the surface of the blade. 2. Inspect and blade the blade for sharpness and for any load deformation. Number 3. Inspect and if necessary repair the comma pieces. Inspect the condition of the pinion, teeth and circle. Clean and grease the hinged point. So these are the maintenance methods of the blade and circle. Next is blade control unit. Inspect the level of oil in the gearbox and add if necessary. Inspect bearing condition and add grease if necessary. Operate the hand control lever and inspect the various function. Inspect the condition of the hose pipe in the hydraulic control unit. Check oil seal and hydraulic valve for their operation. Inspect the mounting condition of lip, cylinder and hydraulic motor, etc. Next is transmission. Check the valve of oil in gearbox and refill it if necessary. Check for any unusual noise or vibration in the gearbox. Check the condition of universal joint. Check the condition of the chain and sprocket. Check the lubrication of the chain and sprocket. So this is the method of transmission maintenance. Next is steering. Inspect the condition of tie rod and ball joint. Add grease in the ball joint if necessary. Inspect the oil level in the gearbox and refill it. Lubricate the bearing if necessary. Next is tire maintenance. Check the inflation temperature of the tire and their deflection. Over and under inflation should be avoided. Check for any cut in the tire tread. Check for any damage of the side wall of the tire. Check for any nail or foreign material penetrating into the tire wall or tread. So this is the method of the maintenance. Now next is preventive maintenance. First one is daily maintenance. Check crankcase oil level. Check water level in radiator. From the fuel filter tank. Clear crankcase breather. Check hydraulic oil level and fluid level in the master cylinder. Check for any leakage or any abnormal noise in a engine. Check tire pressure. Lubricate circle flange and moldboard sidebar. This is a daily maintenance method. Next is hour-wise maintenance method. First one is 100 hours, next 200 hours, then is 500 hours. So 100 hours. Repeat daily maintenance schedule first, then check upper transmission and shifter. Check lateral shift housing. Check moldboard lift housing. Check front housing. Check power box. Check battery electrolyte level. Check power drive housing. 9. Check transmission housing. And 10 is, and the last one is check circle reverse and circle transfer housing. So this is the method of 100 hours maintaining. Next is 200 hours. First repeat the 100 hours maintenance schedule. Then change the fuel filter. Change bypass filter. Change corrosion resistance element, grease, cooling fan, pulley, grease, water pump. So this is the maintaining of method of the 200 hours grader. After 200 hours maintenance, next is 500 hours maintenance. Repeat 200 hours maintenance schedule. Change hydraulic oil filter element. Then drain and refill oil in the following ways. Number 1, under transmission shift housing. 2, master cylinder. 3, lateral shift housing. 4, lateral shift reduction housing. 5, moldboard lift housing. 6, moldboard reduction housing. 7, circle reversing housing. And 8, circle transfer housing. So this is the maintenance method of 500 hours grader. The next one is technical details. The technical details are noted down in this way of a grader. Detecting weight, that is here given, is 12,650 kilo. Maximum drawbar pull 7,280 kg. Engine module N743C. FHP or front horsepower is 145, frictional horsepower is 185 at the rate 1800 rpm. Transmission is planetary gears 6 forward and 6 reverse. Final drive spur gear double reduction. Tandem drive roller chain type. Moldboard wear resistant steel. Maximum lift 400 millimeter and maximum drop below ground 570 millimeter. So this is the technical details of a grader. So thank you.